you know, I have to admit, one of my biggest issues is I just can't leave well enough alone some days. And I'm doing something and I just think, hey, that's it. I need an obelisk for this Khemri army. And that's me all the way around, unfortunately. I just don't think things through. Let's see if I can. No, there we go. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta do whatever you're gonna do, unfortunately, because sometimes I am an idiot. Just give myself too much work to do. Jeezy, shorten that up a bit. Easy to extend it downwards. Jeezy, just to make it a bit taller. And then like so. Now what do I need to do? I need to scale out a bit so it's not quite just tapered inwards. Then I need to extrude again with E. And then scale that one out so it's more like a base. I just can't help myself on this. I just have to do stupid things. Well, not stupid things, it's a useful thing. But there we go. Now, what else do I need to do to make this a bit more interesting? I wish I had time to put some Khemri style writing on, but you know, with the quality of my 3D printer, it wouldn't be visible anyway. Let's just make sure that the sizing is, you know, nice more than anything, because that can be a bit of an issue. Like, I don't think that point should be as much. So G and then Z it and move it downwards a bit. Like so. Yeah, I think scale that out a bit more. Scale that one in a bit. I want the obelisk to be slightly sharper, but I still want it to feel more pyramid-like. I need the whole thing. Come on, scale it out. Just make sure that that worked, because it looks a bit off, doesn't it? No. Right. You're picking up that one there. That's all of them. Let's look at it from 1, look at it from 7. Scale that out a tiny bit. And yeah, I mean, because my actual 3D printer does not exactly what you might say have good quality. Really, oh, I think I have to do these one at a time, unfortunately. Oh no, helps if I do things right, isn't it? Not 10. 0.5 maybe. No, that's not good. 0.1. That's better, right? 0.1 all the way around, I think. It's just me extruding faces here with this, you know, inserting a face. It just makes things so much easier for what I'm about to do next. And then boop, boop. Well, let's see if I can get these all to taper inwards at the same time. Oh, now. What I need is extrude along individual, and I want them to go slightly inwards. Like so. I'll do that at minus 0.1, see how that looks. There we go. At least it's indented in now to give it a bit. Unfortunately, my 3D printer might not even do that very well, so it might not look great, but I think, you know, it's a base filler. It's going to be actually quite small, so it's not going to be big enough, really. If I want to paint stuff on it, I will later on. And all I need to do now is just Control S, and there we go. Dead simple obelisk.